Good morning, traders. I just got in just now and I'm taking a look at the code and it looks fantastic. You know, all you have to do is free trade the code. That's all you gotta do. Just free trade the code. I mean, you don't need to figure out the exact code. Just free trade it. It's so simple. I'm gonna do that right now. I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna start free trading it. If you would have free traded the code so far, you'd have gotten every trade right. Every single trade. Okay, there's one offset. That's it. Just one offset. All the other ones are perfect. Just watching the code. I'm going to take a trade off of it. I'm going to free trade this. Let me check something real quick. All you got to do is just free trade this code. I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take a trade here in a second. I'm going to start taking some trades. I'm going to free trade the code this morning to show all of you that that's all you need to do. That's basically what I'm going to start teaching now, is just to free trade it. I mean, you can figure out the exact code. It's not a problem, but I'm just saying you don't need to. You can just free trade it. I mean, it's going to take your accuracy down a little bit, but still give you the opportunity to make money all day long and make it easy. Okay, I'm going to be right back. I'm going to take a trade. Okay, I have just taken a short position here using the code. It's going to drop out. Okay, adjusting the exit, I'm going to go for something bigger than 20 ticks. Let's take this down. I'm going to take this down to like, let's see here. Hold on a second. Let me take it down to 1640. I'm going to take it down to 5860. 5860. Yep. Okay, just checking the code here. Everything looks good so far. Calculating my out. Okay, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna have a fairly tight stop on this. Let me take a look. Or actually, it's not that tight. It looks like it's just gonna drop out here. Code looking good. See, some days when you free trade it, it'll just work perfectly. And today is one such day. The code looks great. It looks fantastic. Okay, I should be in a code 2 now, so it should be able to reach the 5860 no problem. Get me out for a nice little profit this morning. I might go for more. It just depends on what it starts to act like. The daily is starting to look good. It may come down quite a bit more. But I may just go for this exit and then take a re-entry again, because there's a decent chance it might come back up again and give me another chance for an entry, or we'll just see how it acts here. But right now, I'm gonna go get myself a cup of coffee real quick, because this thing is intact. This is a code 2. This is gonna go down as I called yesterday in the charting service. I called this before it would even happen. And I also called the code, yesterday too. So what it would probably be. And I just took the entry that I called, as I said I would do. So I'm gonna go make a cup of coffee. It's getting close to the exit already. I may adjust it for more, or I may just take another entry again. I'll be right back. I think I am going to adjust it for more. This thing's just going straight down just like I said it would. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm going to go get some coffee and I'm going to watch this thing and see what it does. I may adjust it for more, or I may just take this off the table right here. Trying to see what it acts like and what the codes say. Right now we got codes that are saying, let's see, 1 short, 2 short, 3 short, 4 short, 5 short. 5 code short entries. 5 in a row. That's a lot. We'll see if that keeps up, if it keeps giving shorts, or what happens, if it wants to pop back up for a little bit, or what happens. I'll make a decision on whether I want to go for more or not. But right now, I'm going to keep that exit intact. Okay, so I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, it's almost down to the exit here. I'm thinking about switching it to something lower. You look at the code. Okay, let's go ahead and place it. Take it down to 40. Okay, it's at 40 now, and looking for a code entry. Looking for a code entry. I may exit here. Let the code tell me whether it's going to go lower or whether it's going to pop back up here. Let's check something. Okay. Okay. Okay, hold on. Nope, it's going to give a short. It's a short entry. It's going to go down more. Got a code 1 short. My exit is at 40 now. Going for an extra 20 ticks. Following the code now. How many short entries is that? That is ridiculous. That's like 6 short entries now. That's ridiculous. I never seen 6 short entries unless this thing's going to drop out huge. Alright, adjusting the exit. It's going to drop out huge. It's got 6 short entries on it right now. Adjusting the exit. I'm taking it down to 60. 58, I mean. 58, taking it down to 58 even. Okay, got it down there. Alright, exit's at 58 now. I'm going for an extra 60 ticks. Watching the code here. Getting ready to get out any second. If I get a long entry, it could be offset. I don't think so, though. It doesn't look like it. Doesn't look to be offset. It should still be going down. But if not, I will exit. Just going to follow the code here. Okay. Okay, I'm going to be right back. This thing starts to pop back up or give a long entry. I'm going to get out. Otherwise, I'm just going to follow it. Right now, there are 6 short entries. 6 code 1 short entries. And code 2 should absolutely be down right now. Okay, I'm going to be right back. We're about to, oh, there it is. There's short entry. Short entry off code 1. That's 7 short entries. I tell you, I've not seen anything like this in a long time. 7 short entries? Wow. In a row? Wow. I've not seen that. That's been a long time since I've seen anything like that. 7 short entries in a row? Unless it's going to be offset right here. 7 short entries in a row. This is unbelievable. You know, I'm not really sure if I've ever seen 7 in a row before. I think I have, but it's so rare. This thing must be ready to drop out. Let's see if it's offset. It could be. I checked it. It could be offset on this one. If it is, if it is, I'll get out. But if not, it's going to confirm a short here, and it's going to drop out. 7 short entries in a row. Wow. I would imagine that that's going to mean that it's going to go down big still. Really, really big. That's most likely what that means. I am ready to jump out though and take the profit. I'm just following the code right now. Okay, I'll be right back. There it goes. It's confirmed. 7 short entries. We've got 7 code 1 short entries right now. This is amazing. Still going down. Following the code. My exit's at 58. 40 ticks from now. 40 ticks. See if I can make it. I'm just going to follow the code here. First long entry it gives me, I will get out. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I just got out right there. It's setting up right now to move back up using the code. It hasn't given an entry yet, but I can always take a re-entry off the code, no problem. So I just exited right there to lock in the profit, and I'm going to take another entry. Right now, free trading the code. This is one of those days where, you know, free trading the code is going to work perfect. By the way, this particular one is offset. You have to watch out for that kind of stuff, you know. You got to watch what's going on to get the feedback to know that this particular one is offset. So don't, you know, you got to account for that and take the offset or wait for it before taking the entry. So that's what I'm going to do. So anyway, I'm going to go get my copy real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, it looks like we just get a long entry off code 1, unless it's going to be offset. But I won't take the long entry because code 2 is to go down. And I want to go against code 2. And it's also possible that this particular one could be offset. I can't tell yet. I can't tell if it's offset or not. I can't exclude it. So it could be what looks like a long and then turn around and give a short. Or it could just be a long. Either way, I'm not going to take it, because if it's a long, I'm not going to take it. If it's a turnaround, if it's an offset, it's going to go short. It doesn't look like it right now. It doesn't look like it is. But if it looked right, I would take it. But it doesn't look right at all. Looks like it's going to be a long here for a little bit. I'll take the next code 1 short entry. The next one that it gives, and continue to go with the code 2 direction. So that's the best way to play. You really don't want to fight the code 2, because I mean, take a look. Let's take a look. Let's go to the 10-minute chart here. Take a look and see where we are. You know, we come straight down. We're bottomed out right down there. This is where we are right now. You don't want to fight that move down like that, because the code 2 is still intact to go down. You don't want to sit there and try to take whatever you can out of a move back up again. The move is to go down, and you want to jump all over that downward movement using the codes. It gave a long entry. I jumped out. I'm still out. I'm waiting for a short entry now. And that's all you got to do, is just free trade the code like that. A lot of you have, you know, overcomplicated it. Well, I suppose it's partly my fault. Overcomplicated it too much by, you know, some of you can't figure out or having trouble figuring out on the fly what the code is. You don't need to. Just free trade it. yeah, your accuracy won't be as high, but you can take trade after trade after trade and make nothing but money. I mean, just cut the losses short and just hit the winners. I mean, I'll show this to you how easy it is to do. Just the only thing you gotta do is watch out. There will be days where it won't work at all. Because they're all offset, and unless you can read it properly and know what you're looking at, then you'll get slaughtered. But if it's not one of those days, it's like you're gonna win like crazy. I mean, almost not every trade, but enough to make nothing but money. So let's not make this more complicated than what it is. It's not complicated at all. It's simple, basic stuff. Take a little practice, but so does everything. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'm going to take the next short entry that we get using the code. See, right here, I'm just waiting because I know this one is offset, or most likely is. Most likely is offset, so I'm just waiting to see what the offset will do. Because the offset might give a long, offset might give a short, but already the main one is a short. I'm just waiting for the offset now. If it also gives a short, I'm going to go short. Looking for the short entry here. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, the offset is not a short entry. It is a long entry. I'm not going to take it. Now, I don't know for sure which one is which. It could be a short off the main. It could be a long off the offset. It doesn't really matter, except that I could take the break off the offset. So, for instance, if the offset gets broken, I could just take that break and go with the short. If the offset turns out to be the one and the main one gets broken, I could go long if I wanted to, but I won't because I'm going to be going against code 2, and I won't do that. I'm not going to go long here, only if it gives a short. So right now, reading the code, all I have to do is wait for the offset to be broken. If the offset gets broken, then I know it's the main code. I forgot to record the last trade. Okay, I'm still free to trading the code, and I'm thinking about just leaving the thing on so I don't forget to record it. It's not so easy because I've got this thing sitting up on my top monitor and I've got to remember to turn it on every time. I've got to pause it and unpause it. And the really bad thing is the stop and delete buttons right next to the pause button. So if you hit one little wrong button, you either stop the video or you delete the video. It's not the easiest thing in the world. The easiest thing in the world would be just to turn it on and leave it on the whole time. The only thing about that is the video would be too long, but I suppose I could just cut it out. It's not so easy to do that, though. Okay, I am going to continue to free trade the code as I've been doing, and I'm going to take some more trades. I am free trading, though, just so you know. Okay, I'll be back shortly, and I'm going to continue to take trades. Okay, we've got a code entry to go short here. I am in short. Just going to go for 20 ticks again. Just taking 20 off the table here, not like the code 2 I did earlier. Just going for 20 ticks a time. Using code 1. Is this easy or what? I just kind of find it funny. What can you do? It's the code. Once it gets about 12 ticks or so, I'll place a break-even stop on it. Okay, I'm going to come back. I will update you on what it does. I'm either going to place a break-even stop. The stop on it is, let's see, it's almost a 20 tick, so if I lose this one, it'll be like a 20 tick loss, just about. So Ready to go. Should be good. Okay, I'm going to come back. I'll show you the progression and of course the outcome of this trade. It's going against me a little bit here. It's hard to tell exactly what it's doing. It's possible it could be offset, but I don't think so. It's just going to drop out here. But we've got another code coming up, so we can see what this one will do. It'll either give the short entry and continue to go down, or it'll reverse and give the long entry and we can go back and go higher. But that's the beautiful thing about the code, is I'll always tell you what it's going to do. So you just follow it the whole time. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than that. And this is what I'm trying to show all of you, is that you can just free trade this. There's no reason to make this harder than what it needs to be. It's really not hard, just free trade it. If you have trouble figuring out the exact code, then free trade it. Just do what I'm doing right here. Piece of cake. Okay, I'm going to come back for the next code. We'll see what it says. Okay, it just gave a long entry on me off the code, so I am now long. And you can see it gave a long entry right at the top. And I took a top trade, you know what I mean? I didn't wait for the break or nothing like that. That's because the code says it's going to go long. I don't need to take a chart break. Because once it breaks right there, it could jump, you know what I mean? I'll just follow the code. See what I'm saying? The code is far superior to the charts or chart break or anything like that. You just follow the code 100%. 100% and 100% of the time. To everybody else, they don't know it's going to go break right now, because they don't know the code. I do. And I know what it's going to do before it will do it. I mean, in the short term for the direction. Just following the code here. Okay, I am going to come back. I'm just going to, save a little bit of time here and just wait to show you what it's going to do. It should probably break here real soon. I'll come back. Okay, it's breaking up here. I'm going to prepare a break-even stop at 59.57. I need to wait for it to get out a bit more. Checking the code. Well, I always got to watch the code here. We're coming into another entry now. It could be a reversal. It looks like it's going to be. Stand by. Checking it. We're just going to be patient here. It could be a snap back up and move higher. Still have code 1 entry long. Looking for a second code 1 entry here. Or it could be a reversal to go short. If it is, I will reverse. That's what you always have to do when you're trading the code, is always be watching it. It's always in motion. Always given different directions. Looks like it's going to be a reversal to me. Okay, get ready to go. Reverse. Okay, hang on. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back. I'm going to take an entry. I'm going to either reverse or I'm going to hold. I'll let you know. Okay, I have taken a reversal position here. The code says it's going to go down. That's what I'm talking about. You always must follow the code. Watch the code, read the code, follow the code. Free trade the code. I mean, it's just going to give you one entry after another. And you'll go up and down in your profit and everything like that, but you can see that it's very profitable. It works. You're not going to get everyone right, obviously. But you'll get them right enough. Okay, I'm going to come back shortly. I'll show you the progression and, of course, the outcome of this trade. Okay, preparing a break-even stop at 59.47 on the stop. $59.47 on the stop. Okay, break-even stop in place. Can't lose on the trade. Just letting it go. It's either going to hit the exit or hit the break-even stop at this point. Checking the code. Where are we at? Always got to look at the code. You know, what if it gives me a code reversal right now to go long? I mean, I can at least exit the trade and take the profit that I've got. You know what I mean? Always want to pay attention to the code. At the same time, let's say it doesn't get me out, but then it gives me another short entry into the code. I wouldn't want to just hit that exit right there. I want to adjust the exit. I could move it down really fast. Okay, I'm out for another 20. Looking at the code, I'm about to get another entry. Stand by. Looking, watching. About to get another entry here. Another code entry. Going short. I got a short entry off the code. It's going to go down. Short entry off the code. There is nothing like using the code, ladies and gentlemen. Don't let anybody fool you. It's not without its tricks, though, you know. It could be offset right here. It is a possibility. You want to learn how to do this? Watch what I'm doing. It could be offset right here. It is possible. Let's check the stop. 23. Stop is going to cover it. Read the code. Let me just check something right here. Let's go see if it's possible. Yes, it is offset. It is offset. It's offset. Oh, no. I better just get out. Above 32, I'm out. I'm out. It's offset. I could just tell you that right now. I could just look at it right now. See, you can tell over here. It's offset. See? I should have checked that. It's because there was a code change. There was a code change right here, and then it showed it was offset. Which one are we on? It was offset here, and so you see, all you have to do is use this information. I just made a mistake by taking a main entry when it showed that it was offset. All I had to do was go look at that, and I lost money right there for no reason. But this is the power of the code. I mean, you've got so much power that you can use for this. It's not even funny. Right now, the code is saying it's going to go long. But I'm a little bit late to the party here. Well, not really. I could go long right here. I'm going to wait for the next code. Because right now, we've got a code to go short. Now we've got a code to go long. Most likely, it'll come up a little bit like here, and then give another short entry, and then continue to go down and break that low. Okay, so that's my plan. I'm going to take the next code 1 short entry. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I just got a long entry off the code. I have taken a long position. Always following the code. Free trading the code here today. Showing how you can easily just free trade this and do really super well. You do not need to figure out the exact code if you don't want to. Now, if you just want to take 1 or 2 precision trades and just win 1 or 2 trades, then by all means, just figure out the code and do that. That's what it's perfect for that. But if you want to just get in and come and trade and free trade it and still be able to do really well, making it, easy, but a lot of opportunity at the same time. Some days you're going to go way up. Some days, it won't be very good at all. But, if you looked at it on the bigger picture, I mean, we're talking about nothing but making money, So, you just free trade the code like I'm showing you. Okay, I'll be right back I'm going to come back and show you the progression, of course, the outcome of this trade. Okay, preparing a break-even stop at 59.44. 59.44. Where's it at? I need to get it out a bit more. I need to get at least 10 ticks ahead. Where did it go to? It needs to go to like, what, 53 for me to place a break-even stop. Checking the code. We're okay. Okay, I'll pause the video. I'll come right back. Okay, placing break-even stop, 59.44. $59.44 on the stop. Okay, break-even stop in place. Can't lose on the trade. Now it's either going to hit the exit or it's going to hit the stop. One of the two. As you can see, ladies and gentlemen, there is no trading like code trading. There's no trading like code trading. Is this cool or is this cool? Come on, you gotta be honest with me now. Is this cool or is this cool? Come on, don't go up there and not hit me. It goes up to 62. Where's my exit at? 63? Let me go ahead and get out up here. I'll just take it right there because it's double topping right there. You see that? And even though we don't have a code entry here, it'll likely it'll likely bounce off that top. Who knows what it's going to do from there? It could get another code entry to go down from there, or it might reverse and go back up and go higher. But why take the risk? I mean, it came right next to my exit. Why take the risk? Just get out. I mean, for instance, you say, okay, well, why don't you just go for the 20? Well, the 20 would have put me like up here. It would have had to go to the tip top to hit the 20. And it went right there instead. So I just got out like right there as it's starting to come back down, you know? I mean, you don't always have to go by that exact rule to make the exact 20. I mean, 17, 16, 15, still profit. Every trade counts. You know, I'm getting higher and higher here, trying to get as high as I can. Another successful trade and I'm at 5,000. You know what I mean? There's nothing like trading the code. And I'm showing you how easy it is to free trade it. I'll be back. Take more trades. Okay, I have taken another entry. It is a short entry, and the code is saying it's going to go down. Now I've got another code coming here. We're going to see what it's going to say. But I have, technically taken the code entry so far. But it's a possibility that all of a sudden, it's going to give a long entry here. So you got it. That's what I'm saying is you have to constantly pay attention to it. It could give a short and then all of a sudden reverse and give a long. It's a possible. It is possible. Okay, I'm going to be right back. Okay, so far it's looking good. That's 2 entries right there. 2 code, 1 short entries right there. 1, 2. Now it is possible that this last one is offset. Let's see what it does. If there's a way to tell. Like for instance, we can eliminate that. We can eliminate that right now. It's not offset. We got full 2 short code 1 entries. It's going to go down. Code says it's going to go down. I'm going to place a break-even stop on it about 10, 12 ticks. Okay. I'll be right back. In the interest of time, let me go ahead and pause the video. I'll come back and show you the progression and outcome of this trade. As far as the stop goes, let me calculate that. We place it now. There's stop. Okay. I'll come back and show you the progression and outcome of this trade. Okay, I'm going to prepare a break-even stop, 59.47. Stop, 59.47. I'm going to place it now. I'm going to place it tight. I'm going to place it tight because we've got another code entry coming up. If it goes long, I'm just going to break even. If the code goes long, I'll break even. I'll probably go ahead and take it long. Let me think about this for a second. Yeah, yep, I'll take it long. If it goes long, I'll take it long. No, I'll pass it up on the. I'll pass up. I'll take the next one. I'll take the next one. Just let it go because what it's going to happen is it's going to break. It's going to break me even if it goes long, and I don't want to chase it at that point. I don't want to chase it that far. I would take a better entry than that. Since I'm already in, I'll just let it break even if it goes the wrong way, and I'll take the next one. See, that's how you can play it. The code. I mean, you don't have to sit there and push every trade. Just let the ones that are going to win win. Let the ones that are break even break even. The ones that lose are going to lose. Nothing you can do about those. Okay, that one's going to break even there. That looks like a long entry. It's a long entry off the code unless it's offset. It looks like a long entry to me. I'm going to pass up on this one. I'll take the next one. Okay? You don't have to take every single one if you don't want to. Now, I would take that one if I hadn't already been in. I was already in, so no big deal. You see how easy this is, though? This is so easy. Okay, I'm going to come back, take another trade. Okay, I've got another code 1 short entry. Boom, there it goes. Come on, drop out. Drop out. It's always nice when they drop out right when you get in. That makes it easy. Okay, I'm going to come right back. Okay, I've adjusted the stop to 49. I'll come back. I misread that. The stop should be at 47. I need to get a new pair of eyes. Okay, stop is at 47. Every tick counts when you're trading. That's a 12 tick stop or 11 tick stop. Every tick counts. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, it's moving up into the code now. So it either will hit me or it'll just make a reversal and go back down. But it's about to give another entry here. So I'm just going to let it do what it's going to do. And if it gets me out on the stop and then gives me an entry, I'll take it. Otherwise, I'll just let this one go and take the next one. I'll be back. You see my stop was at 47 and it went to 46. That's the power of knowing the code. The code will tell you where to place your stop with precision, with, mathematical precision. So, that's not a coincidence it didn't hit my stop. It's because I know the code. And I'm just following it. The code gives you your entry, it gives you your stop, it even gives you your exit for the most part. Not 100%, but for the most part it does. It's just built in. Sometimes I can have some variable to it depending upon the other codes. If it gives you like a short and then gives you a long, that type of thing. But for the most part, it's just built in, as you see me doing over and over again. Anyway, I'll come back. We got a code 1 short entry. Yeah, we got a code 1 short entry, and I'm in. I'll be back. Okay, preparing break-even stop. 59.35 on the stop. 59.35 on the stop. Need to get out a little bit further. Just a little bit further. Okay, there we go. Okay, 59.35 on the stop, break-even stop in place. Now it's either going to hit the exit or it'll hit the break-even stop, one of the two. One trade after another, ladies and gentlemen. You're looking at it for yourself. The code system of trading. I am free trading the code today, demonstrating, showing how easy it is. All you gotta do is know how to read the code and follow it. It certainly isn't rocket science, that's for sure. But I do tell you this, I need to go get another cup of coffee. I do hate it though when it comes right down to my exit and then doesn't hit. Where did it go to? 17? And my exit's at 16. Funny. If it starts heading back up here, I'll get out. If it breaks above the 20 there and goes above, I'll get out. Okay, I'm out. I'll get out right there. Take what I can. I hate it when it does that. You know, there's my exit. It wants to go around. One tick for my exit. Crazy thing. It just goes to show, though, stay on the ball. You know, if it goes down one tick away and it starts to head back up, take a spot like I just did. Say, if it goes above that 20, I'm just going to get out. And it did. It went to 21. I said, okay, got out. Take what profit you can. Don't take it too early, but I mean, if it almost hits and it doesn't, take it. You saw me take one earlier, too. Every trade counts. Every tick, every trade. Trying to get yourself higher and higher and higher. Right? Is this fun or what? Okay, I'll be back. Okay, I've got another entry here. Another code 1 entry. It just said to go short. So I am short. And should be another winning trade. I'll come right back. By the way, I've just adjusted the stop to 37. So relatively tight stop. I'll be back. Okay, we've got a second code entry to go short here. Preparing break-even stop at 59.27. 59.27. This one should be in the bag. We've got two code 1 short entries right next to the bottom of the chart here. Just waiting for it to break down. I'll place the break-even stop on it. Two code 1 short entries back to back. Okay, pausing the video. I'll come back. It's trading really tight in here. We've got another code coming up here. So far we've got two saying it's going to go down right now. If we get a third, this thing will drop big time. Right now it's just tight up and down. Okay, I'll come back. Okay, throwing a break-even stop on this. 59.27 on the stop. Okay, 59.27 on the stop. It'll either hit the exit or hit the break-even stop. Around and around we go. Oh, free trading the code, everybody. You see how easy it is. Another successful trade. Amazing, isn't it? When you know how the code works, then you can do what I'm doing. And I hope that I'm demonstrating and showing to all of you now, especially you code traders, that you can just free trade the code. You know, a lot of you have gotten caught up into finding the exact right code, and you're banging your head up against the wall going, I can't figure it out, I can't find it, I can't find it. You know, I think I've got it, and then I don't, blah, blah, blah. Well, I mean, if you're having trouble like that, first of all, you should keep practicing and you'll get better. Okay? But at the same time, you don't need to know the exact code. You can just free trade it like I'm showing you right now. Is this easy to do or what? This is very, very easy to do. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up. I'll be back next week. Have a good weekend and happy trading out there. And I hope you traders are learning. Be back next week. Happy trading, everyone.